Welcome to our sessions for German for beginners. Today we are in the chapter 10, which describes different jobs in how we spell in German. So my job is today's subject. So my profession in German is mein Beruf. Beruf is profession. So for better understanding, let us learn some of these important terms which are very frequently used when we will talk about or job related topics in German. So arbeiten, arbeiten is to work, it is verb. Arbeit is work, arbeite is a work, noun. Arbeiter is worker. Then once again you have to be very careful about the gender in German. So der Beruf, it's a male, the profession. Although it looks odd, but this is the rule and norms for German grammar. Die Arbeite, the work. Das Büro, the office. Beruflich, professional. So for the next 3-4 slides we will see different profession and how it is pronounced in masculine gender and feminine gender. So different professions, profession masculine gender, feminine gender. Teacher, der Lehrer masculine, feminine die Lehrerin. Doctor masculine der Arzt, feminine die Ärztin. Police, der Polizist, die Polizistin. Cook, der Koch, die Köchin. IT Specialist, der Informatiker, die Informatikerin. University Student, der Student, die Studentin. School Student, der Schüler, die Schülerin. Fashion designer, der Mode designer, die Mode Designerin. Architect, der Architect, die Architektin. Hairstylist, der Friseur, die Friseurin. Secretary, der Sekretär, die Sekretärin. Taxi driver, die Taxifahrer, die Taxifahrerin. Fireman, der Feuerwehrmann, die Feuerwehrfrau. Nurse, male, masculine, der Krankenpfleger and die Krankenschwester. In profession, boss, der Chef, female boss, die Chefin. Male colleague, der Kollege, female, der Kollegin. Manager, der Manager, die Managerin. Construction worker, der Bauarbeit, Bauarbeit and Bauarbeiterin. Seller, der Verkäufer, die Verkäuferin. Actor, der Schauspieler, die Schauspielerin. Musician, der Musiker, die Musikerin. Singer, der Sänger, die Sängerin. Housekeeper, der Haushalter, die Haushalterin. Scientist, der Wissenschaftler, die Wissenschaftlerin. Banker, der Banker, die Bankerin. Engineer, die Ingenieur, die Ingenieurin. Pilot, der Pilot, die Pilotin. Train driver, der Zugführer, die Zugführerin. So these are some of the most common professions which are always dealing with. However, if you found want to find something, so there are a lot of sites are there, and there are a lot of books are there from where you can get the other professions as well. So this gives an overview of the common professions and their German pronunciation. Thank you, and we'll come shortly with some new chapter.